Hey everybody, I got a real quick video on a 98 Chevy S10 oil change. Really simple. You know what type of oil you have to use is right there. That's the fill tube and where you check the oil level. And the good thing about this little truck is you can get to the oil filter from the top. You see the white part down there? That's the top of the filter. Or you can go underneath. I didn't even have to jack the truck up. You can go through the top and get the filter off. Get your oil, get a funnel. It's 5W30. And under here, that's the bolt that you take out for the oil pan is towards the passenger side. I didn't even have to jack the truck up. I just slid under there. And you can also get the oil filter from the bottom as well. Just get your container for your dirty oil. And after you drop the oil out of the tank, you're going to also slide it under so that you can get to the oil that comes from the filter. With the new filter, that's the old one. With the new filter, you want to lubricate that ring with some oil so it doesn't stick permanently. And look at that dirty oil. So when you top the fluid back off, you're going to just take the dipstick out of the fill tube, get your funnel, pour your 5W30 down there. Like I said, this was super easy. Check the dipstick. Look at the dots in the hatched area. You want the oil to be in the hatched area. Look at that dirty oil. It was time to change it. And compare it to this new oil. It looks like honey. It was an easy job. Save money, do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.